Green roofs need a gentle slope to shed water without causing soil erosion or runoff damage. Use a slope between 1 and 5%, which translates to about 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch per foot, as the basic thumb rule for most extensive and semi-intensive green roofs. Start by confirming your roof can handle saturated load plus live loads before adding media and plants. Install a continuous root barrier, a waterproofing membrane, and then a drainage layer such as a drainage mat that channels excess water towards scuppers or overflow gutters. Grade the drainage layer to the planned slope and place low points at designated overflow paths so water never ponds at the membrane level. Include inspection ports and removable bulkheads at overflows and scuppers so you can flush sediment and check flow without removing plants. Plan for maintenance access routes that accommodate light foot traffic and routine removal of debris to preserve the slope and prevent localized erosion. Common issues are shallow slopes that cause ponding, which you fix by regrading the drainage layer and creating clear low points with overflow scuppers. Another problem is soil washout on steeper areas when slopes exceed recommended grades, so avoid slopes greater than 5% unless you terrace them with retaining elements and use erosion control mats or dense, fibrous root mixes. A third frequent concern is clogged drainage paths from sediment and leaf litter, which you prevent with pre-filter fabric over drains, regular inspections, and easily removable drain covers to clean out accumulated material. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors experienced with green roofs and roof drainage design, and it also helps contractors find projects that match their skills. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, share photos, and ask practical questions about slope, drainage layers, and maintenance.